About this item: 23.6 MP sensor, 5K 30 video and 20 MP photos, 100 MB/s bitrate, hypersmooth 3.0 video stabilization, time warp 3.0 night lapse video, in-camera horizon leveling, live view front display and intuitive rear touchscreen, webcam mode and 1080p HD live streaming power tools hindsight, live burst, scheduled capture, and duration capture, face, smile, blink and scene detection, data overlays and GPS standard, activity, cinematic, slow mo and custom presets, voice control, portrait orientation, raw photo mode. Built-in mounting package includes GoPro HERO9 action camera, black, manufacturer accessories, SanDisk Ultra 64GB microSD HC memory card, replacement battery, underwater housing, water-resistant case, selfie stick, 3-way bike mount, helmet front mount kit, mini suction cup mount, chest strap, head strap, floating bobber handle, floating wrist strap, flexible gripster tripod, 2x J-hook style mounts, 3x flat and 3x curved adhesive mounts, memory card wallet, memory card reader, microfiber cleaning cloth. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 23.6 MP sensor, 5K 30 video and 20 MP photos, 100 MB/s bitrate.